Now we'll start on the supply card, the supplier master file information. Before setting the supplier master file, similar to the customers, we have to create the integration part, the setting part. Right. Turn to your system and order down. Create the or link the purchase integration. Purchase integration. Right. No, that part not in the tutorial. Actually, we have only master file. Note down this the important detail in your notebook. Setting up purchase integration. Right. Setup, and link account. Link account. Sales integration complete. Purchase accounts. Note down the step. Setup and link accounts. Purchase integration. Click on purchase integration. Right? Your payment bank, the paying on the checks, credit to your Sampath bank account, current account. And your liability account on the trade credit account. Is it correct? No? This is a proper integration. In the main integration area. Then I pay freight on purchase at the time for purchase. Purchase. Right? Expense account or cost of sale for freight. Not income account. In this time we integrated on expense account or cost of sale account. Freight invert or freight charges under the cost of sales or expense account. This freight is the income. Understand? Freight collection from customer, freight income account. This is the freight expense account. This integrated to your purchases. Cost of goods sold or cost of material. Use this account. When you buy the item, the company have to pay for the additional charges on freight. Freight invert. Next, I track deposit paid to supplier. The opposite, like your customer section. Customer paid for the deposit. This is the company liability. Company paid for the suppliers. This is your asset. Your asset. Click on this arrow. Integrated on deposit paid under the asset to the deposit paid account. Deposit paid. Next, I take discount for early payment. Student, look at this point. This is the income or expense account. Sorry? actually they use for the control account. What do you mean by control account? Both income and the expenses are getting on one expense account. The net amount displayed on the expense or income. But in the our accounting system, actually we get on the supplier discount as income. Discount received, no? But here the system developed on a little bit different. So you click on here. Actually, the system given the wrong message. Go to the income section. Look at here. No discount income account. We call discount received. Look at the last one, 1,700. Right? Create new account, 1,750. Click. Sorry, 750. Other income. Already there in the other income. We'll see. Under the other income, where? Yes. No, discount allowed in the expense. You have the account in the discount received. Okay, then I'll create here. Under the other income, 2,000. Under the 8, don't worry about your number. Other income, right? 2,000, no? Discount receipt. You decide whether it's a VAT liable or not. Then the message will given, no? We'll look at here. Under the other income, the account discount received usually an expense account, but in our accounting system, we use like an income account. Click OK. Then I pay charges for the late payment. We call late charge expense accounts. Click on here under the expense, late fees paid or charges. Late fees paid or charges. Is it there? No? Late fees account is there under the expense. This system actually they use, I think, by the control account. Take this screenshot. Take this screenshot and attach to your Word document. Attach on this document to the words. Your lecture or tutorial. Right. Okay. Click the OK button. Then purchase integration complete. Now, student, look at your setting part. Under the link accounts, set up on your accounts and bank integration complete. Under the link accounts, sale account integration complete. These are the main integrations. Then finally we complete on under the link account purchase account integration. Complete on basic setting. Any question regarding this section? Right? Clear by all? Okay. How about others? Girls, okay? Right. Then turn to the next section. Keep in your mind, even in your examination, in the final exam, before the customer master file, set up the sales integration. There should be a link. Before the supplier, create the purchase integration. Now click on cart file. Now customers are there. Then turn to the supplier section. Click on here. See those suppliers. Right? Similar to the customer, click new option. Given the detail, supplier designation. Refer this detail. First one, Sanat Jayasuriya Private Limited. This is a company, no? Private Limited. Name Sanat Jayasuriya Private Limited. Sanat Jayasuriya Private Limited. Click on tab. Given the ID like vendor or supplier, both you can use like a VEN vendor. Okay, either you use vendor supply is you double P supply 001. Better you put capital here. One P or double P supply. Better to put one P, no? SUP supply 001. Other details are similar. You design on here the designation, individual or company. This is actually company. Address detail, fill. Number 12, Main Road, Matara, Sri Lanka. Number 12, Main Road, then Matara. The city also Matara. And state, Southern Province. I don't know the actual postal code. Matara. Anyone in the Matara? No. Like 04. Then country, Sri Lanka. If there's any foreign supplier in your project, you have to be given on their detail and the country like India, like China, like other countries. Add the phone numbers. This phone number. And the one mobile number. And fax number. And email given sanatjayasuriya@gmail.com or something. Shouldn't you complete everything? Website www.sanat.lk. Actually, solution equipment, thanks. then contact Sanat, like this. Complete the profile detail. Fill this all detail. Because of that, you are earned the marks from these sections by the mid exam. The continuous assessment. In your project, you decide the customer ID, the company given on the different by using the like here abbreviation SJ001 like this, Sanat Jayasuri 001, OSJP like this. Card detail, similar to the customer, the supplier company logo is there. Get this logo. Actually, your project you have to be at this detail. Get the company supplier profile under the logo. Insert this logo in the one folder, and in the desktop your document download those somewhere. Get this link. You practice that. Then the company image, the logo will come here. Then click OK. Automatically the system will set up the icon, the company icon, either product, either company logo. To resize here pictures. Then custom list area like import supplier, raw material supplier, local supplier, like this. The supplier categories, custom list. The buying detail, whether you get the service or item from this supply, or professional service or miscellaneous service. At this point, the purchase, the item. Now I select here item purchase. The printed format actually setting on the actual printing size, printing detail. And expense account, when you buy this item, now I link on under the cost of sale my cost of material. Cost of material. Right? Purchase comment, you can add on the purchase comment here. Whatever the method. The extra method you can add on here either under the new section. You have to be studied on that section, student. Only I teach the way. You are a student. You have to be studied further. The shipping method, mode of delivery by this supplier. There are some method. You can edit this like look at it. Actually, the Australian post method not allowed in the Sri Lanka. No? So you can edit on this detail or add on the new method or use the existing method. I will say a courier method. Right. These are the practical point. The supplier charging the amount on hourly rate or daily rate. You can put here billing rate like 100 per hour, 1000 per hour, including a tax or excluding a tax. You decide. Additional knowledge. Credit limit at here. Uh, Here actually 25,000 or at once you 250,000. 250,000. Available credit limit also 250,000. similar to customer, this supplier charge the VAT from this company? Yes. From both purchase and the freight, liable for VAT. Understood? If this supplier will not charge from the VAT, then select here not applicable. Oh, in practically, you know that there are some companies are SWAT, suspended VAT. Then you have to be at the separate category edited on SWAT. Then you have to be select here SWAT. You know that your practical the application are in the industry, SWAT applications are there. So everything you can study by your project. Only I guided and teach on the basic thing. The additional thing you have to be studied at your project. Then setting on the supply terms and conditions. Actually here service supplier service. Don't put the ABN number here. No ABN number. Next one, payment dues days after EOM, end of month. Days after end of month. Next, first 10 and EOM, end of month. Discounted. And early settlement discount 5% and a volume of discount 0%. For this supply, the other supply setting indifferently. Next, payment detail. No applicable for is BSB number for their country. You know the supplier bank account for the online transfer, online payment or something. You put this number, bank account name like HNB. Statement text, actually you can put the statement detail. Contact log, similar to the customer, you can add the new log, edit entry like this. There are a lot of things. History, no history detail up to, because of that no opening balances, beginning balances. Any more question from the supplier profile, a buying detail and payment detail? Actually studied on here buying detail and profile detail. These are the most important details. Any questions? No? Right. Click OK. Then add your first supplier. Right. Now you look at here second supplier. Only I discussed the two supplier. Others you have to be developed. Supplier 1 okay. 2, is it correct? Yes. Kanajjaya Surya okay. XY Company Private Limited. XY Company. Private Limited. Company supplier. Use the same coding. SUP002. Fill this detail. one of the supply in the outside the country, you rename like a foreign supply, and give the their country. Now we record on all suppliers. Complete the supplier 2. Then supplier 3. Ashok Company Private Limited. Supplier 003. Complete all suppliers. Complete all suppliers. You open the two screen. Otherwise, take a photo. It's easy. If you have copy and paste, clearly you face the problem in the exam. The paper you can't copy and paste now. Then you call the tutorial. From the next week, you bring the inventory tutorial and the beginning balance tutorial. And the fourth supplier, Kumara Cricket Private Limited, designation company. Any question? Cost of material. Cost of material. Both in each case. Because we take the materials, no? Material service. The after convert these materials to the finished good or something and sell this item, then automatically calculated on the cost of goods sold. Material supplies, service supply and service setup करना, cost of service के लिए ना एक करना. If you are taking on the services from suppliers, the further you have to be develop cost of service, then calculated on the profit on the service. At any time you can edit this, the customer and supplier detail, select this supplier and go to edit mode. Then you can edit it. Last two suppliers, marking the bats and balls. We complete all. Good. One student complete all. You can practice that software at your home. Only you available on the internet connection. Have you got the link from them now? And use the your username and password. The login to the system. Right now, student, turn to the system again. Now I create a new supplier for a payment on expenses. Look at here. New supplier, type on here expense vendor. Expense vendor means other supplier, other payment. Either card SUP008 like this. No detail. Just only go for the here credit limit. The maximum credit limit given here 300,000. Maximum credit limit. No default integration. Just to create. No payment detail because different supplier we paid on the differently. Click OK. Then create the expense vendor for the other purpose. Now, student, look at here. Click on all cards together with customer and supplier. All details are appeared on here. In my case, 10 items. Your case, more than to 10 items. Now, if you want to delete one record, the mistakenly you may having the wrong information, you have to delete this one account. Select this one account, don't be deleted, only practice. Select this particular one customer or supplier, double click, then go to the edit. Here, clear option and the delete card option are there. Don't be delete. If you want delete, you create the new one and delete. the delete option. Similar to the main ledger account delete. But you can delete the account until to the system beginning balance. After the balances, you can't delete this account. Because there's a balance, no? With the balance, you can't delete this account. Right. In the next week, you have to be complete this all the customers and debtors in the balance, and bring the tutorial on inventory and the system beginning balance tutorial. Then we will try to complete this tutorial before the election day. Then we can conduct the exam after the election. Right? Any question? There's a hurry to leave now. Okay. Right. Then we stop the session.